Good day, everyone. Good day, subscribers, and thank you for tuning in to the channel. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, the do's, don'ts, and strategies you can use to be a successful affiliate marketer. This is the second episode in a ongoing series all about affiliate marketing. If you're thinking about starting affiliate marketing in 2026, there's one decision that can literally make or break your results. I'm not exaggerating. Pick the wrong niche, and you could spend the next 12 months spinning your wheels, working hard, and seeing very little income. But pick the right niche, you could grow faster than you ever imagined. Here's the truth most beginners don't realize: they don't fail because affiliate marketing doesn't work. They fail because they choose the wrong niche from day one. They chase trends, they follow hype, they try to avoid competition, and ironically, that's exactly what keeps them stuck. So today, I'm going to show you the has home affiliate marketing niche for 2026 and why it continues to make people money year after year. Let's start with what most beginners do. They usually jump into niches like tech reviews, Amazon gadgets, fitness supplements, or whatever trend is hot at the moment. And on the surface, that seems smart. But here's the problem nobody talks about: the commissions are tiny. You might earn $20, maybe $40, sometimes a little more, and it's usually a one time payment. No recurring income, no long term value, very small profit margins. So, what happens? You need huge amounts of traffic just to make decent money, and that's exhausting. That's not leverage, that's pure hustle. And hustle alone burns people out fast. So, what's the most profitable affiliate niche for 2026? It's the make money online niche. More specifically, affiliate marketing, online business, and digital income systems. And here's why this niche is so powerful: people will never stop wanting more money. Think about it. When prices go up, people look for extra income. When layoffs happen, people search for side hustles. When remote work grows, people want online opportunities. This niche doesn't shrink during tough times, it actually grows. And that's what makes it so reliable. Now let's talk about income potential. In most affiliate niches, you might earn commissions if you're lucky, maybe $80 on a good product. But in the make money online niche, it's completely different. You can earn $1,000 or more per sale. And many programs pay recurring monthly income. That means one customer can continue paying you month after month. That's how people build real freedom. Not by chasing small commissions, but by focusing on high value opportunities. Let me take a moment to give a quick shout out to olsplive.com for the work they've done to help others achieve success in affiliate marketing. Another reason this niche is so powerful: you're not limited to just one product. You can promote affiliate training programs, funnel builders, email marketing software, AI tools, traffic platforms, even coaching programs. Is one audience with endless monetization options, which means your earning potential grows over time. You're not just building traffic, you're building a long term digital asset. Now let's address the biggest fear people have. But that's actually a good thing. Competition simply means money is being made. Think about it like this: there are thousands of restaurants in big cities. Does that stop people from opening new ones? Of course not, because where there's competition, there's demand. You don't need the entire market, you just need your piece of it. The good news is the strategy to succeed is actually very simple. Step 1: create content about making money online. Step 2: focus on one main affiliate offer. Step 3: capture emails so you can follow up. Step 4: stay consistent over time. Platforms that work especially well include YouTube, short form video, and email marketing. You don't need complicated systems. You just need consistency. Because in this space, consistency always beats complexity. So if you're serious about affiliate marketing in 2026, stop chasing shiny objects. Instead, focus on the niche that has endless demand, pays higher commissions, and allows recurring income. That's where real growth happens. And if you want more simple, practical strategies like this, make sure you subscribe. Because the people who take action early are the ones who win the biggest. I hope this information empowers you to make wise decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and pursue your goals with confidence. Also, I like present to you a program, the OLSP System Pro offering at olsplive.com, olsplive.com, or megalinklive.com. Learn more about the program in the bio description around this podcast. Thank you all for your time today and have a great day.